why I called you my daughter. That is what I wanted to tell you.
Mama. Mama.
What is it?
Mama, how can you be planning such a thing for your own daughter?
So, Ujuma, what you want is to go and marry that motor park tout. Aburo! Eh? God forbid. Over my dead body. I will not allow that to happen. Wow! Mama,
Mama, I like him like that.
Eh? You like him like that? Uju, see, let me tell you. You will follow my friend to her son's house. If you do not follow her to her son's house, up and worry poison. I will just drink poison and die. And my blood will be on your head. Yes,
Mama. How can you say such a thing? Hey!
See, let me tell you. If you just want to try me, just do that you want to do. Let us see what I will do. And watch me die. I will just die. Can you help? I'm trying to work out things for your good. You are making quack. You are quacking your head. See, don't worry. Just do what is your mind and watch me die for you.
Uju, really? You accepted to work as a house help?
Why are you making it look like it's an abomination? Okay, tell me. Being a house help and being a motor park tout, which is better?
Oh, so it has gotten to this, right?
Yes.
Your mother asked you to say this to me. I knew it was going to get to this point. My friend was right after all. You know what? Good luck.
Oh, Felix, wait. It's not exactly what you think. I just want to do something meaningful with my life.
Something meaningful with your life. And a house help is where to start from, right?
It doesn't really matter. I have my plans though. I just want to start doing something to take my mother's attention away from us. Before she realizes it, it will be too late. Besides, I don't want her to drink poison like she threatened. People will blame me.
Are you serious about this?
My love, I know exactly what I'm doing. Just trust me. Okay? Trust me. Everything will be fine. Please now.
Are you serious about this? Mama, you're here.
Oh, yes.
Good morning, sir.
I came earlier. Yeah. You now have a house help.
This is the first time I'm seeing this girl here. Young lady, who are you and what are you doing in my house?
My name is Uju. Mama brought me from the village last night. Your mother?
My mother?
Yes, sir.
Brought you from the village?
Sir.
To my house?
Yes, sir.
Last night?
Yes, sir.
You mean you spent the night in my house?
Exactly, sir.
And my mother didn't tell me about it. Where is she?
I am here. What is going on?
Mama? Who is this girl?
You mean this girl? Oh, the girl?
Yes.
She's the house help I told you about. Yes, she's very, very hardworking and industrious. Her name is Uju Jureji. Mama, this house belongs to my son. Have I introduced him to you? This is my son, Chidi. I've told you everything about him and the wife, Yes. You don't have to be afraid of anybody. The house belongs to him, Go on with your house chores. You know, go?
Okay, Mama.
Go ahead.
Okay, Mama. Let me help you. Don't worry.
Do your work. That one is not included.
Just do your work. Leave the man.
Hey, it's okay, just go.
I'm sweeping, sir.
Don't sweep here again, just leave. Mama, you see, I swear, I don't know anything about that girl. I don't know anything. I'm just seeing her for the first time. Yes. But please, do not tell my wife about this, okay? I will sort it out, I promise you.
Where is my daughter?
She's inside.
She's inside.
Yes.
Let me see her first.
Okay, but don't tell her anything about it.
I will not.
All right, I will sort it out, okay? Let me help you with the bag. Biko. Ah, you're welcome. I'm just seeing her for the first time. I promise you.
And how else do you want me to tell you about it? I remember telling you that you needed a house help in this house. Did I not?
Mama, and if you can remember, I told you I don't need any house help in my house. I told you that. How can you go out and possibly bring a total stranger into my house? What is the meaning of this?
She is not a total stranger. Her name is Uju. I know her very well, and I know the mother very well. If I were you, I will make up my mind.
I am not making up my mind about anybody. I love my wife, okay? Let her leave my house. She must leave my house today, and that is final. She must leave.
Ched, you lie. Read my lips. I said you lie. Did you hear that? That girl has come to stay, and no one is going to stop her.
Mama, please, I am respecting you. Take that girl back wherever you brought her. Please, let her leave this place today. Else, there will be war in this house. Let her leave my house today, please.
You think it's that simple? Is that what you think? That girl has come to stay in this house, and no one, not even you, will stop her.
On whose order and in whose house?
On my order and in this house. Listen, my son, and listen well. That girl is not going anywhere. She must stay here. She has come to stay, and that is final. I don't care whether you like it or not. She must stay here.
Mama, why are you just too
Excuse
difficult?
me.
You are too difficult. Can't you just understand something? She can't stay here. You didn't even tell me about her coming. Eh? I'm talking, you're walking out of me. Mama! Mama! That girl must leave my house today. She must leave. I'm just respecting you. She must leave my house today.
Son, what did your husband say about the house help your mother-in-law brought?
My husband is not in support of that. He said the girl should leave. I'm of the opinion she should stay. You've seen my situation. Ever since I got blind, my husband literally does everything by himself. He needs help. We need help. We need someone who can do the house chores and, other things. So I pleaded with him to allow her stay.
Hannah, you have to listen to your husband. Yes, listen to him. Because the way I saw that girl that very day, I don't think she should be the one you will stay with. Please, let that girl go. Your mother-in-law made a very big mistake by bringing that girl into this house. Eh? And she might be up to something. You never can tell. You don't trust anyone.
I understand, but I trust my husband. Chid is a good man. I'm sure he won't do anything stupid. Let her stay, Mama. We need someone around.
You don't trust anyone. Please, listen to your husband. Let that girl go.
No, let her stay.
How come no one told me about this?
My dear, this is the situation I found myself in.
No, Anna, this is not your portion. This can never be your portion. So, you mean you can't see me?
I can see you, but I've already accepted my fate.
God forbid. This is not your fate.
So what would you rather have me do? Fight God? Question God?
So you can't even see me.
Welcome, ma.
Thank you.
Auntie Anna, I'm ready to go to the market.
All right. Meet my mother.
Okay, ma.
Anna, you now have a house help?
That's my mother-in-law's handwork. Yes, my husband wanted to send her packing, but I told him to let her be.
Anna, you need to see what that girl has behind. You need to see what that girl has behind. This is you practically getting a second wife for your husband.
No, I asked my husband to allow her stay. I know my husband is disciplined, so he wouldn't do anything with her.
No. Anna, no. I'm totally against this. Like, I am not in support of this.
Nne, oh, what do you want me to do? There's nothing I can do, so let's just be happy.
Hey! I'm not in support of this, so you need to see that girl. Okay, oh.
What's going on? Uju's phone has been switched off since she left for the city.
Felix, what's up? Alpha. No, don't tell me you are here worrying about that girl again. That I won't take. What is your problem?
Buchi, I am disturbed.
Disturbed about what?
I can't reach Uju. Her phone is switched off since she left for the city.
That is not your business. She has moved on. Why can't you let her go? Let her go. Let her be. What is your problem?
So she lied to me.
Felix, the earlier you understand the tricks and the pranks, the better for you.
Who is there?
Mama, it's me.
Come in.
Mama.
You called me. Yeah, sit down. I've watched you closely, and it has come to my notice that you've not done any shots. Why?
I don't understand. What shots?
What? Are you dumb? Are you mad? What do you mean you don't understand? Have you forgotten the reason you are here? Okay, there is no problem. If you have forgotten, I will send you back to the village, if that is what you want.
Mama, please, take me back to the village. I'm tired of this whole thing. I want to go back. Please, allow me to go back to the village. Mama, if you don't allow me to go to the village, I will tell everybody my mission here. I mean, how can you tell me to snatch a husband from a blind woman that has done nothing to me? Mama, that's not fair now. Please, I want to go back.
I swear to God, if I use this my piankalized hand and slap you, if I forget this my hand on your face, this your dumb brain will reset back to normal by force. How dare you? How dare you talk to me like that? Inapuala, have you forgotten who I am? You will tell everyone the reason you are here. Oh yeah, go ahead. Tell them.
I will send you back to the village. Your mother will drink poison and die. Yes! Just look at her, stupid girl. I'm not talking yellow guy. Huh? Will you get out of my sight? Get out of my sight before I lose it! Eh? Just imagine. I will tell everybody the reason I am here. Trying to threaten me. Bianca. Hey! But wait. I thought this girl is intelligent. Hey! So good.
Mama, I'm deeply sorry. I just keep feeling this is unfair.
And who told you it has anything to do with being fair?
Mama, I'm afraid. What do I do?
Just be attentive and keep paying attention to every details. Slowly, your dreams will materialize. Whenever I am involved, there is always a way. Do you understand?
Yes, Mama.
Good. You can go.
Thank you, Mama.
She has everything a man needs.
It's all about choice, yeah.
Hello. Hello, my good friend. I've been dialing your number since. How are you? I know you'll be fine. And how is my daughter? Hope she's cooperating well. Are you serious? That's good. That's good to know. So everything is working as planned. Hey! I am happy, oh. I am happy. I am happy. Please tell her that I called. Tell her that I called. And do take good care of her. Thank you. Hi, thank you. Tell her that I called. Bye. Thank you. If you should stay well, oh. Thank you. Bye. Hey!
Eh?
Hey! God, thank you. Thank you. Eh? As soon as Uju gets pregnant, everything is settled. Hey, no, ah. Oh, good.
Baby, you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You want me to feed you? Babe, let me help you. Okay? You fine?
Mm-hmm. What's that? What's going on?
Nothing, babe. Nothing.
What is that? Are you talking to someone?
No, babe. Oh, the spoon just fell.
It looks like it's thrown.
Oh, really? The spoon just fell.
Are you okay?
Yeah, baby, I'm fine.
Is that my mother?
Yes.
Yes, it's me, my daughter.
I know you're here. So let's get your food, right?
Don't worry. Are you alright?
Yes, have you eaten?
Yes, I've eaten. I just came to check on you.
She's
I'm fine now with my sweet husband.
Yes.
I know.
She's fine.
Alright.
Are you sure you don't need, so I can just call to get you?
Don't worry.
Okay. You'll be fine?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let me feed you. Babe, are you good?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Okay. Let me feed you, okay?
Okay.
Open your mouth.
Is he there?
Yeah. Close it.
Trapped me.
I got you. Alright. Open it for me. That's my sugar. Okay, let's go again.
Wait, I'm still munching this one.
Alright, baby.
This food is delicious. Uju cooks very well.
Oh.
You're not saying anything.
You
You don't like it?
Not as when I'm eating my wife's food. You know, you're the best cook. So let's just manage this for the meantime. Okay.
This woman nearly caught me. Oh. I need to be extremely careful in this house.
Hey!
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What were you doing where my daughter and her husband were eating food?
Nothing, no. I just served them their food.
You just served them their food. Turn, let me see. Turn your back. Okay, I have my eyes on you in this house.
Hey! I'm not even surprised. After all, right from the first time I entered this house, she has never liked me.
Mama.
What is the problem?
Mama, when did this one start?
Calm down and tell your mother what the problem is.
Mama, the useless girl, the foolish, the nitwit,
The nonchalant girl you brought from the village tried to seduce me today. That useless ass girl.
Really? Wow. Ah, finally.
Yes! She tried seducing me in the presence of my wife. Hold on. What do you mean by finally? Oh, don't tell me you have a hand in this. Don't just tell me you have a hand in this.
Chidi, sometimes you cannot help but behave like a small child.
What do you mean by that? Eh? Is this the way you intend bringing a second wife into my house? Is that so?
Calm down, Chidi. Bring your voice
down. I should bring my voice down.
They will hear you.
I should bring my voice, they will hear me. Meanwhile, you're the biggest shouter here. What is your own tone now? You shout and bring down this house. You try to bring a second wife to my... Mama, please, let me just give you this last information. That girl must leave my house this minute. Please. Tell her to leave my... I will not forgive you if I see that girl here first thing tomorrow morning. Let her leave my house.
It does not matter whether you forgive me or not. But what I want to tell you is just to relax and enjoy it. Now, if you bend down, you will see Abba. Eh? Ebubebuya, mananko buka. Ya bon wa bukwa ngongo. If shape.
Hold on. If I bend down, I will see Abba. If I bend down, I will see Abba very well. By the time I'm through with that girl, she will see Umaya. No, she will see Umaya, then you will see Nasarawa. You will see Nasarawa and she will see Umaya. Go and want that girl. Go and want that girl. If she tries it next time, she will see Umaya.
Chidi, you palanya? Eh? Don't you have eyes for good things? Ah.
Yes. So, how's your baby? Okay. Please, when are you going to see Anna again? Anna? Yes, Anna now. What? Are you serious? She has gone blind. Ha! How? Oh, so she eventually went for the surgery. Please, listen to me. At your convenience, just find ways so we can go and see her. At your convenience, just call me. I want to see her again. Please, just call me. I'll be expecting your call. Okay, thank you very much. Hi!
Any problem? Who was that?
Hi! Huh?
Who was that?
One of my classmates. She had issues with her eyes. I heard she's blind. She has gone blind, yes.
God forbid. Blind?
Oh God. Hey! This is so sad. I hope her husband is taking good care of her.
And if he doesn't, you will do that for him, right?
Buchi, what is it now?
Eh? Buchi, must you joke about everything?
Let it not be what I'm thinking, no. Let it not be what I'm thinking.
Buchi, stop, I beg. Every time you be joking. You must be joking about everything. Okay, I'll give you one. I propose you lose.
Let it not be what I'm thinking, no. Felix? Okay now. It's alright. Let it not be what I'm thinking. I know why I'm saying all this.
She's the only problem I will have. Ooh. Anna's mother. She caught me while I was trying to seduce Chidi, and she threatened to have her eyes on me.
That woman said that to you?
Yes, Mama.
It's okay. You don't have to worry. I will handle that.
Okay, Mama.
You can go.
Thank you.
this girl. When did this one start?
Ma, are you deaf? What type of nonsense are you putting on in my daughter's house? Are you a prostitute?
Juliet, take a look at what this girl is putting on in my daughter's house. Look at what she is wearing.
Madam, what's the meaning of this?
What?
What is what? Huh? This is my son's house. And I brought her here.
And so?
And so she has the right to put on whatever I gave her permission to wear. Oh, yes.
Mama, are you saying that you gave her the permission to put on this? This thing!
Look at what she's carrying up and down.
Have you forgotten her name? Her name is Uju Jureju. And how does it affect you? Is this your husband's house? Eh?
Mama, this thing you're doing is not fair. Oh.
Eh?
This thing is not fair. Oh.
What is not fair?
This thing is... What you're doing is not fair. Oh.
Look, let me ask you. Eh? Why is it that you are here always? Can't you stay in your husband's house? Is he chasing you? Let this be the first and last time you will come to this house and talk rubbish. You know, Ria?
Hey, what's your name? Can you imagine?
Mama, I'm sorry to disappoint you. You cannot stop me from coming to this house to see Anna. Not even your son can. Yes, not even your son. See, I've heard your stories, oh. I've heard plenty things about you. You cannot stop me from coming to this house.
Eh? Have you forgotten that it's Bianca you are talking to? Eh? If not for one thing, I would have used this my Biancalized hand to bless your face.
You sound so funny. Mama, each time I come here, I come prepared for you, specially. Yes, any day you try to raise this your hand to slap me one, I swear to God, I will use slap and scatter your face.
You cannot try it.
You will not do anything.
Will you fight me? Okay, fight me.
Touch me.
Fight me.
Slap me.
Fight me.
Fight me. I don't even have anything to tell you yet. I don't have anything to tell you. Mama, where is Anna?
Come with me, let me show you.
I don't have time for this
Come,
rubbish.
come and have time.
Nonsense.
Come and visit me here.
If
Your husband house is chasing you.
Try
Everything you will be coming here.
I will slap and scatter your face.
Scatter my
I'll kill
face.
this one.
Scatter my face. You are not doing
And
anything.
you will not go here.
Hey, I'm finished. What brought Felix to this house? Does he know Anna's family? Hi! I hope he will not just tell them everything about me. Hi!
What is the problem?
Nothing, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
I saw the way you were looking at that stranger that came with them. Do you know him?
Stranger? I don't know them, oh. Don't know them.
Anyway, there is no problem. Even though if you know him, even if there is any obstacle, I will sort it out for you.
Okay.
Just turn around for me.
Should turn?
Just turn. Hi! No packaging. See packaging. Hi! Ibugom. This is exactly the type of thing I want for my son. See packaging. Nkiruden. Ngwongwo azuno. How? Lekuku. Turn again for me. Hi! Ne Ibugomo. Dora. You gonna be my baby, do shakara for me. Dora. You gonna be my son's baby, do shakara.
Can you imagine? Even your mother-in-law came and was supporting her, saying that she's the one that gave her the right to wear those nonsense she's busy wearing in this house.
I've told my daughter to throw that girl away, but she insisted that the girl must stay.
See, Anna, that girl must leave this house. She must leave it. She cannot stay here. Because it's teaching time saves 9.
Anna, they are both right. From what I have seen so far, this is a clear indication that you might begin to have problems in your marriage if you don't start acting now.
Tell her.
Thank you so much, Felix, for coming to see me. I truly appreciate it.
I was surprised when Juliet told me.
I've accepted my fate. My husband is the one handling and managing my hospital now.
This is unbelievable.
I can't believe Uju was the one I saw in that house. But she told me she was going there to work as a house help. Anna's mother-in-law was the one who took her there, probably. I'm sure she's there to seduce Anna's husband. That means Anna's marriage is in trouble. I have to do something before her marriage crashes. I am not going to tell Buchi about this. He's going to laugh at me.
Darling, is that you?
Yes. My love. How are you?
I'm not fine. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. What is it? What is stressing you?
I don't want it to look like I'm nagging or beginning to complain too much. But the truth is, I just don't like the kind of wares your mother is buying for Uju, the house help. People are complaining. Why would she buy those kind of clothes for her?
My love, honestly, I'm tired. In fact, I am frustrated. The woman I call my mother is now a thorn on my flesh. She can't allow me have peace. I have warned her severally that the next time I see those wares on Uju again, I will get both of them arrested.
No, please don't do that. It hasn't gotten to that. Yes, I'm very uncomfortable with that, but at the same time, it hasn't gotten to the extent of you locking anyone up.
Baby, listen. I don't want you to stress yourself about anything. Okay? I just want to take care of you.
I know you're trying. All I want you to do is to talk to your mother so she can buy her more reasonable and responsible ways.
I will do as you just said. Alright? Listen, I don't want you to stress yourself about anything like this. Okay? I'm always here for you. I love you.
I love you too, baby. Thank you.
I was knocking at your door last night.
Why were you disturbing me at that time of the night?
Oh, so you intentionally refused to open the door for me? No problem. Well, I'm here to tell you that I have had enough. Enough is enough. You have to warn that your useless girl you brought from the village. Would you? Warn her. Let her stop wearing those nonsense skimpy things in my house. Else, the next time she...
Else you will do what, Chidi? Chidi, what will you do? Huh? After you will be accusing your mother of doing nonsense, just ask your wife who the man that came here to see her today is. Juliet brought a man for your wife in this house. Ask her.
What did you say? A man came to my house?
A woman.
My own house?
A man came to this house today looking for your wife. And she wanted to take him to the bedroom. If not that I stopped them. You can ask your wife. If you think I'm lying.
Darling.
Who was the man Juliet brought in here yesterday?
Oh, Felix. He's my good friend.
Your good friend or your ex-boyfriend?
No, darling, come on. Why are you sounding like that? Felix is an old friend of mine. We attended the same secondary school while also from the same village.
Then what was he doing here? Huh? What was he doing here?
Please calm down. He came because Juliet told him my current condition. So he simply came to see me and know how I'm doing.
Hey, now you listen. And listen real good. I do not want to see that useless boy called Felix, Fidelia, whatever his name is, in this house again. Even that Juliet. Let her respect herself. Okay? I do not want to see any man in this house. Am I understood? Am I understood?
What has come over my husband? He's becoming so aggressive. Juliet, how is my baby boy doing? You know it's been long since I saw him. Could you please bring him to me? When? Alright, I'll be waiting. Okay, bye. I can't wait to see my baby. Alright. Who's there? Who? Mom?
Hannah, are you not ashamed of yourself? Eh? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Calling your fellow woman, begging her to bring her baby for you to carry. Are you not a woman? Have you no womb?
What have I done wrong now? Can you just allow me to stay in peace? What have I done wrong to you?
Shut up! Shut up! Just get pregnant and prove that my son did not marry a fellow man. Eh? Don't even know why my son married from a bewitched family.
Please don't say that to me. I don't appreciate it. Let me even ask you, Mama, what exactly do you want from me?
I want children, grandchildren. Eh? Give me grandchildren, and I will not disturb you.
Oh my God. Do you think if it's within my power to give myself a child, I wouldn't have done that long time ago? You think if it's within my power, I wouldn't have had like 4 kids by now? Mama, stop doing this to me. I'm a woman like you. I'm not God that gives children. Please, I deserve peace, Mama.
Hannah, just give me grandchildren and stop preaching nonsense to me. Eh? Look, let me just give you a candid advice, a motherly advice. Tell your husband to marry a second wife. If that woman gives you at least 2 kids, you can throw her away and enjoy with your husband and your children. Eh? That's the candid advice.
I beg you, in the name of God, Mama, do not tell me such nonsense. Please, get out of my sight. Now.
I should get out of your sight now. Do you have sight? You are just a blind witch. That is what you are. Yes. So,
I repeat, get out of my sight.
How dare you talk to me like that? What is wrong with you?
You slapped me. And I will slap you. You slapped me. Did you slap me?
Come on.
Did you slap me?
Hey, what is going on here? Wait, what is it? Is it my daughter? Is it my daughter? You are touching. How dare you touch your filthy hands on my daughter? You slapped my daughter. See my daughter, you are. Is this my daughter? Is this my daughter? You are treating like this. I will keep you quiet. Not in this house. It will not happen. Let me tell you, what is happening? Your wife's father must leave this house. Now, woman, as I am talking, she has to leave.
Mama, if anybody must leave my house, then it must be you. You have to leave my house.
Me leave
yes.
my house? Why?
Yes.
Why?
Ever since you came to my house, you have been slapping people, fighting, quarreling everybody for no just cause. Why? You have to leave my house this minute. If you don't leave, I will forcefully throw you out of my house.
Forcefully throw me out of your house? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? You mean you have to throw your own mother out of your house in Akwara? What's the wrong with you, Jade? Eh?
Mama, you slapped me.
Yes, and I will slap you again.
You slapped me again.
Yes!
You know what? You know what? I have taken enough of this insult. You must leave my house, and guess what? I will go and call the military men on you. By the time they come to this place, they will pack everything, all your belongings, and throw you out. Let me see if you can slap them. Let me see if you can slap them. Yes. I will call the military men, they will come here and pack everything and throw you out. You must leave my house by force.
Chede. Chede,
Abaka.
my son. Eh?
Abaka.
Do you know what? I gave birth to you on a Sunday. That is the reason you are this handsome and cute. How? Odagum. Asawokoma. Eh? How can you call the army and police for your mother? A woman that clothed and bettered you. Mbano. You see all these things I'm doing? I am doing it to protect you. It is for your own good.
My own good, you say?
Yes.
For my own good. And you're fighting everybody in my house. You're fighting everybody in my house and you say it's for my own good.
Yes. I don't want them to use your brain. Eh? See, I am trying to protect you.
What are you saying? You're trying to protect me by calling my wife a barren woman. Eh?
Your wife. Your wife. She has not given birth to any child.
Really? You know what, Mama? Of a truth I speak. You must leave my house. You must leave my house. And that is fine now. And you're not just living alone. That useless girl you brought from the village, she must live with you. She must leave. Don't.
Come back here. What did you say?
You must leave.
Come.
Me, Bianca, leave this house. Never.
Where's that girl? Uju? She said, stop, listen. Uju or whatever they call you. Go inside, Pack everything that belongs to you. You are leaving my house today. I'm talking to you.
You lie, Chede. She goes nowhere.
She's going nowhere?
Yes.
On whose order?
Mine, of course.
As what?
Do you need to ask? As the woman that carried you in this womb, in this my womb, for 12 good months, not 9 months. I nearly died while giving birth to you because I had difficulty giving birth to you. As the woman that raised you very well, even when your useless father left me, abandoned me, and left with a prostitute to Cameroon. He did not even care to know whether I survived with the pregnancy he planted in me. Chede, you cannot disrespect me. Chede, I made sure that you lacked nothing. I took care of you all through. Chede, you cannot disrespect me.
Mama.
Never.
Mama, do not come here and bring up that emotional blackmail here because it is not going to work. Okay? I am living very fine with my wife. You take this prostitute here. Take her back to the village.
Your wife is the
You are taking her back to the village.
No way.
And also, you stay there, remain in the village with her. You're not coming back to this city. Let me enjoy my marriage with my wife.
Which marriage?
Let me enjoy my marriage with
Which
my wife.
marriage?
What is this one?
Marriage to a blind brat. Wife in a
It's your business. It's my wife. Okay?
I'm going nowhere.
You're going nowhere.
Going nowhere.
Mama, I have said
you
it.
must marry her.
Thank God.
By fire, by
Thank God you are here. She is leaving my house, and that is fine now. You are not going anywhere. I will kill you in this house. I will kill you in this house.
I will kill you.
I will kill you in this house. Mama,
I will kill you.
Phyllis, I told you I knew exactly what I was doing. In a little while, I'll just leave that place and both of us will be together again.
Uju, I am not a child. I'm here to inform you that Anna is my friend and I won't let anything happen to her.
Why are you talking like this?
Uju, your mission in that house is to seduce that young man, get pregnant for him, and he will make you his second wife. That is why you accepted your mother's offer. That is why you're there as a house help.
Phyllis, you're hurting me. I mean, why are you doing all this to me? Listen, the woman might have her own plan, but I have mine too.
No, not after watching you. After watching you dressed the way you did that day. Listen to me. I have no business with you anymore. I am no longer interested in you. Leave that house before it becomes too late. I won't warn you again.
Phyllis. Phyllis, wait now.
I want to have a word with you.
I want to be left alone, Mama.
You can't make me your enemy and still expect to enjoy my blessings as a mother.
How does that got to do with what I just said? I said I want to be left alone.
My son, I just want us to have a mother and son talk. Just give me a few minutes. Let us sort our problems out.
Mama, I have no problem with you. Exactly. I have no problem with you at all.
Did you say you don't have any problem? Are you sure?
Yes. The only thing that is disturbing me now, the only thing that is bothering my mind is my family.
Exactly. Exactly what I'm talking about. You see, I have come to you before and I've talked to you. I understand that you love your wife a lot and you cherish her. Believe me when I say that. I love and respect that too. But that itself is not enough. Sometimes we have to go extra miles. We have to do some other things in order to make sure we get solution to whatever our problems is.
How do you mean?
Good. I want you to understand that I have interest in your wife. Even when I advised you to take a second wife, I respect her. Even the wise man says that a second hand always helps. If you check it out, our hands are two. Our eyes, even our legs. What am I trying to say here? You and your wife have tried your best all these years. But most of the times, our best are not good enough. That is the reason I advised you to take a second wife. Yes. For procreation's sake. No problem. Even if you don't want to, if you insist on not heeding my advice and seeing things from my own perspective, good. I will still respect your choice and decision. I have aired my view. I rest my case.
Eh? Why are you removing me?
You just stop. I want to be left alone.
What have I done? Eh? Chidi, you have changed. You don't talk to me anymore. You no longer bond with me. We no longer have family or couple time. The only time you talk to me is when you want to yell at me or blame me for something I know nothing about. What is it? Why are you acting strange?
How can you know what you did? How can you know? You're obviously blind. You're a blind woman. I said, don't touch me.
Did you just call me a blind woman?
You're a blind woman. Are you seeing?
Chidi, regardless of my condition, I still do not deserve this from you.
You know what? Let me just leave this place for you.
Where? Okay, even if you don't want to touch me, come and lie down now. Mama, is that you?
The one.
Darling, where are you coming from? I'm asking you, where exactly are you coming from?
Is that the proper way to welcome your husband?
You can't be treating me like this. I'm not a piece of trash. You left here yesterday for work. You didn't come back. You didn't even have the decency to send a text message to let me know your whereabouts. You kept me awake and worried all through the night.
Well, if you must know, I went to see my mistress. You said she sent you a text message. How do you see when you're a blind woman?
Okay, you should have sent the message to my mother. She could have read it.
My friend, will you just shut up? Shut up your mouth. You're a blind woman. Do you want to be a talkative as well? Can't you just close your mouth?
Chidi.
Must you always talk?
I'm blind, but my emotions are not blind. You can't be treating me this way.
Please, just hold it there. Please. Outside there, I'll just be frustrated. I'll come back here instead of you to have peace. The same noise up and down. What is it? Can't a brother man rest?
See, I still need to know where you're coming from. I still need you to tell me the truth. Where exactly are you coming from?